Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you why I not improve my English. Yes, uh, I would say my first questions. How much give me your time? How much give me your time learn this language? You are 24 hours. You are learn this language. You are 5 hours. You are 20. You are 5 hours. You are learn this language. How many work for your English language? This is my questions. I have get up early in morning. i'm daily I'm daily 30 minutes. I speak and uh, I'm daily lot of household work, and afternoon I'm daily learn this the vocabulary, daily learn this the vocabulary, daily learn this the grammar. I'm only 2 hours, yeah, 1 horse. I'm give me I have give this the time, this English language. The yes, okay. My question is the how much give me your time learn this language. You are watching this the video, you are watching this the podcast, you are watching this the children's story. You are daily listen more and more. You start your speaking journey, you are daily listen more and more, and one day you are definitely speak to English. Yes, you are making a excuses. You are making a excuses. This is not good. You are passionate about this language. You are try. You are daily practice. Practice is a perfect man. Okay. You are daily little bit. You speak, and you can speak. Okay. I would say, your daily work for this language. Okay, you are a daily household work. You are daily going to office, but your mind is thinking English. Okay, your mind is thinking English. So proper word do not come your mouth, but you try. You try. You should learn this language. You should learn this language. You try to speak. You try to speak. You are so many excuses. I'm not time. I don't have time. I'm lot of household work, and uh, you are little bit your excuses. You are little bit excuses. Okay, you are try to talk. You are try to talk when you time, when when you have time. Try to talk when you have to time. Yes, this is a your dream na. uh, I have this is a dream. I can speak English. Yes na. But you should not try. You should not try. You are not speak to English. You are not speak to English. First time you fumble, you are stuck, but you will not try. You cannot speak. You cannot speak. You are going to another place. You are going to visit this new place. You are explain this the thought. You are explain this the new thought, but your thought is correct. You are wrong. This is, don't worry, don't worry. You are a lot of grammatical mistake, but you try to speak. You try to speak. You try to speak. You build your confidence. You cannot speak. You cannot speak. You are lose your confidence. The other people is not not see yourself, you are talking to a grammatical mistake, yeah, no, the other people is a only look this, you are talk to English, yes, okay, you should try to speak. If you want to if you want to good life, if you want to get this job, you start your speaking journey, you start, you rectify your sentence, you rectify your speaking journey, your daily speak, first time your grammatical mistake, but your daily speak, you are remember this the, you remember this the mistake, and you are correct, you are correct this the mistake, and you can speak. But you will not try, I have fumble, the other people is a fun of me, yeah, don't worry, don't worry, the other people is a fun of you. I'm so happy, I'm so happy I'm speaking English. My English is a lot of little bit grammatical mistake, but I can speak, I can speak, I'm try now, I'm try, my mind is a, I'm not hesitation, I'm not fumble, but I'm try, I'm daily try, and one day you are improve your English, yes, you are not, you are making the excuses, you have so many excuses, I have no, I don't have time, I have lot of I have lot of work, but you are daily 20 minutes, you are daily give this 20 minutes 30 minutes your work for English language, yes, and one day you are definitely speak to English, and you are daily speak now, you are daily speak now, you like this, you are like this English, and you are confidently you are you are feeling is a confident, I I'm speak to English, I'm speak to English, you are daily, you are daily speak, you are build your confidence, you are not speak, you are lose your confidence, okay, you are try to speak, you are try to speak, I have tried to speak, I am speaking is right or wrong, but I am try to speak, okay, but you are start your speaking journey, you start your speaking journey, you are not excuses, I would say you are not excuses, okay. Thank you watching this my video is a like and subscribe, and you can do, and you can speak, I will next, I will meet my next video, okay.